Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Astro in Dandy's world twisted. To begin your quest, you must first navigate to the Whispering Woods, a mystical area marked clearly on your in-game map. Ensure you have the ancient compass in your inventory, as it's the only item that grants access. Once there, prepare to face 3 formidable shadow sentinels. Defeating them opens the path forward. After entering the Whispering Woods, your next challenge is the Twisted Maze. This labyrinth requires you to solve the intricate sunstone puzzle, which unlocks the central chamber. While navigating, keep an eye out for 5 starlight shards. These are crucial for the next stage. Be mindful of the glimmering ghosts patrolling the maze. Avoiding them will significantly speed up your progress. With the 5 starlight shards in hand, proceed to the cosmic altar located at the maze heart. Activating it will summon the formidable cosmic guardian, the next major obstacle in your path. This powerful foe possesses 500 health points and will challenge you with 2 distinct attack phases. Strategize carefully and utilize your best abilities to overcome this celestial protector. Upon successfully defeating the cosmic guardian, a hidden chamber will be revealed, leading you directly to your ultimate goal. Inside, you will find the ethereal Astro's essence, glowing brightly. Simply interact with this essence to claim Astro. Once claimed, Astro will immediately join your party, bringing with them 100% loyalty and powerful new abilities to aid you on your adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.